Sound is a form of energy which produces a sensation of hearing in our ears. When a lion roars, we hear a sound. If we pluck the string of a musical instrument, say a guitar, we hear a sound. Water pouring into a glass are some of the examples of different sounds. Sound plays a very important role in our life. Have you ever thought about what actually produces the sound? To answer this question, first we need to understand vibration. What is vibration? It is to and fro or back and forth motion of an object. For example, if we when hit the tuning fork, it vibrates and produces sound waves. It starts to move back and forth. In short, it starts to vibrate. It is this vibration that produces the sound. Yes, anything that vibrates will produce sound. Sound is produced due to vibrations. Hence, a vibrating object acts as a source of sound. Definition of sound. The disturbance created in the medium travels through the medium and reaches the eardrum, producing the sensation of sound. How sound travels. Sound travels as waves through a medium like air, water, or solids. When something vibrates, it disturbs the particles around it, creating sound waves that travel through the medium to our ears. Sound waves travel faster and more efficiently through solids because the particles are closely packed, allowing vibrations to transmit quickly. Liquids conduct sound better than gases because particles are closer together than in air, allowing for efficient vibration transfer. In gases, particles are spread out, so sound travels slower than in liquids or solids, but it can still move through the medium with sufficient density. This can observe in figure the arrangement of atoms in solids, liquids, and gases. Sound cannot travel in a vacuum because there are no particles to transmit the sound vibrations. This can be understood by observing the figure and do the experiment also. Definition of wave. The disturbance created a medium carries from one place to other without movement of particles is called wave. Now we will discuss different types of sounds. You will find that you can hear most sounds, but certain ones you will not be able to hear. This is because the average human ear has an audible range between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz or 20 kHz. What this means is that you can only hear sounds with frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. This is called audible range of frequency of sound. Examples: talking, music, or a ringing phone. Sounds below 20 Hz, too low for humans to hear but used by elephants or whales to communicate. Definition: sounds of frequencies below 20 Hz are called infrasonic sounds. Example: earthquakes produce infrasonic sound. Sounds above 20,000 Hz too high for humans to hear, but used by bats, dolphins, and in medical imaging. Definition: sounds of frequencies above 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonic sounds. Example: ultrasound is used for checking a baby during pregnancy or measuring sea depth. Applications of infrasonic sound. It is used to monitor earthquakes, volcanoes, and even in early warning systems for tsunamis. applications of ultrasonic sound. It is used in hospitals for imaging, in industries to clean small objects, and by animals for navigation. Thanks for watching Pathfinder 6. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.